message is transmitted at the request of the New York City Police Department and the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. The United States government and the New York City Police Department have detected a big missile striking down over New York City, and it is expected to happen at 10 minutes. All residents of New York City are advised to seek an underground shelter immediately. Gather items for your shelter such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, and a battery-powered radio with extra batteries. Stay tuned for more information.